Hi you guys! Today I'm going to show you what to do if your WhatsApp isn't working. I've got a whole list of things you can try, so have your phone on hand so you can follow along. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you should check for is to see if WhatsApp is down. There is a site called Down Detector that you can go to see if it is down. It's a really helpful site because it shows you a whole bunch of different things. So if we go to that right now, it'll bring you to the front page, and then you'll just go to the search bar and search WhatsApp. You'll click on the top one if you're using regular WhatsApp. Here you can check for user reports for problems. You can also report your own problems. So you can select if you're having trouble with the app itself, with sending messages, something else. And then if you scroll down farther, it's going to show you all of the reported outages. And you can join in on discussions about WhatsApp and what's been going on. The second thing to do would be to open and close the app. I know this is super simple, but sometimes that's all you really need to do. If you don't know how to do that, you're just going to completely close out. So you'll open up all your apps and then you'll open it back up. If that still hasn't fixed the problem, you might need to log out and then log back in. If that still doesn't work, then the next thing you can do is actually uninstall the app. So to do that on an iPhone, you're going to press and hold the app and you're going to remove it. Then you can download it again and open it back up, and that should work. If that still doesn't work, then what you can do is check for updates. Sometimes the app will stop working because it's unupdated and using an older version. So to check for updates, you're going to go to your app store. You'll open up apps, and then you're going to click on your icon in the top right. Scroll down a little bit, and then it's going to bring up all of your recently updated apps as well as the ones that need to be updated. The next thing you can try is restarting your phone, and to do that, I mean, it's different with each phone, but normally you hold the on button and volume button and it should slide to power off, and you can sort of restart it that way. Another thing you can try is to check internet connection. Sometimes it'll say you're connected to the internet, but it's not actually, there is no actual connection, or it's just not working properly. One thing you can do is go to your settings and just simply turn off and on your internet connection. You can actually forget the network and then reconnect, or you can switch to cellular. The next thing you can do is allow all permissions in WhatsApp. So to do this, you're going to go into your settings. And then when you get to the top, you're actually going to scroll down until you find your WhatsApp. It should be in your apps at the bottom. You click on that. And under this, allow WhatsApp to access, you're going to make sure all of these are on. Another thing that could be affecting your WhatsApp is the amount of storage that you have. So if your storage limit is running low, what you can do is actually manage your storage within WhatsApp. So we're going to go to our settings in the bottom right, storage and data. And then at the top, manage storage. So you can see what your storage life is, and then you can go through and you can see each particular chat, how much storage is being used up. And then if there's a certain chat or chats that is using quite a bit of storage, you can go in, you can manually delete out things that you think aren't important. Another thing you should make sure of is that your background data is enabled. So sometimes you'll have to go into your settings and turn that on, which I'll show you how to do. So you're going to go into your settings, and scroll down and go into general, and then we'll go to background app refresh, and we're going to make sure that when we find our WhatsApp, that is turned on. Lastly, something to kind of watch out for is if you haven't been active on WhatsApp in a long time, or maybe a message you sent has been flagged or something, your account might have been deleted. So watch out for that and keep an eye on it. If you're still having trouble with the app, you might have to create a new account or reach out to WhatsApp to restore your account. Alrighty, you guys, a lot of information there. I hope that you found some of it helpful or all of it, and that you can use it and maybe pass it on to somebody else who needs it. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video.